Hello friends, in modern application development, logging is essential. It's not just for debugging but also monitoring, auditing and gaining real-time insight into your software. In this video, we will explore two powerful logging solutions with example. One is log4net, a reliable, lightweight, file-based logger that is used in .NET and application, and it's widely used due to its simple and free of cost logging. The second file storage based logging system is Serilog. It is a modern structured logging library for .NET and for .NET Core as well. This uses structured data like JSON format that will make it easy to query logs in cloud platform like New Relic and SumoLogic. Now, question is, what is SumoLogic? SumoLogic is modern cloud-based, uh, cloud-native platform that takes logging into the next level with live dashboard, analytics, and alerting at scale. So this is a SumoLogic. SumoLogic is a cloud-native log aggregation and analytic platform. It receives logs from your application, store them, and allow to search, analyze, visualize, and alert on those logs in real time. SumoLogic is not logging library, but it is a destination of logs. So let's deep dive and see how you can implement both log4net and SumoLogic in your application. I will take an example of .NET application here and will show you how you can implement log4net, Serilog, and you can share the logs to SumoLogic and you can search on SumoLogic. So let's start. I will start with log4net because this is a very easy library for your application logs, and I'll create a default .NET project. This is an empty .NET project. You can see I have on console application and program.cs. So to begin with log4net, we need to install a NuGet package for log4net. So I will install this package in my application. All good. So my package is installed. We can double verify it's log4net 310, right? So first step is completed. I have to install package, and the second step is after installing package you need to configure log4net. So it required log4net configuration. So we will copy the same configuration from this and we will create our config file. So I am creating a log4net config and will copy paste my configuration. You can check the configuration from the site. It's Apache log4net, and the basic configuration is given here, right? So you can follow the steps from this website. You can find the link here and you can just copy that into your application. So that's second step. We installed package, we created log4net file, and what is the third step? To initialize logs. Now we will go to the program files and we will start implementation of log4net. So firstly I will declare variable that will okay, so it's automatically coming with the GitHub, but I do not need any nlogger. I need ilog log. Sorry, I will rewrite this. Log manager, it's coming from log4net. Log manager dot get logger. We need to define the type, actually which type we are using for this log. So type of will always be your class name. So we have declared the variable. Now we will use okay, the another step is we need to initialize. So we will save the log on this path. I have added a to-do statement here. So now we will initialize our log configuration. So we need to repository log4net. Okay, I will not use this. I will use log manager, log manager dot git repository. Okay, now I have repo. I need to XML configuration. XML configurator dot configure repository and new file system file info log4net dot config, because this log4net config, I have this file already. So my configuration is completed, my XML configuration is ready, and I have defined the path for my log here, file path. So ideally this should be the configuration now for log4net. So it's basically three steps. We completed all. One was package update, second was to configuration file, and third is to initialize your configuration file. So now we will write some logs here. Okay, so logs info, logs warning, and log errors. So, cool. We will see how it goes on. Okay, the issue is XML node is missing. It means my log4net is not updated. So it is not saved actually. You can see that icon here. So it is saved now. So you can see that logs is coming on console as well, but it also created a log folder which and log file as well. So this is an info message and error, this type of info warning error message. So we can write another logs, log for debug, trace it not spotting, we will not write here. So we will see what's happening again. So our log file is updated, and also console, it is showing console log console as well. So cool, that was easy to implement log4net, right? Just few steps and we can see the log4net file. That was a first step, I will say. On my demo, log4net is completed. I will start Serilog and Serilog. I will not write into local file, but I will send my log to SumoLogic. It's my SumoLogic, right? So for that I need to clean my existing this code. So let's make the application on the default, and okay, I will remove the package as well because it will conflict with Serilog. So great. So you can see my application is in new mode. So one file is that, I will remove that as well. Okay, so everything is gone. This folder I do not need. Oh, because it's in use, I will. Okay, it's gone. So my application is clean mode. It's nothing having any package, not configuration. So now I will start on Serilog. For Serilog, I need to install two packages actually. Okay, so I will use this for package path and will install Serilog. Okay, Serilog is installed. Also, I need Serilog sync package as well. So I added two package and we'll start now. What's the next step? So let's go to SumoLogic first, because before starting Serilog, we need a SumoLogic setup. This is a SumoLogic. Once you will register yourself and start your account, it will look like this folder. Okay, so this will be your SumoLogic dashboard. So here you can see few options. If you go to the application app catalog and manage data collection, so you can add here resource source. This is the source where you want to get the logs. So here is the many source. You can choose which type of source you will have, but here in case of my application I will use the simple http log, just name, and I will save. It will create my source. I have created already one source. I will show you. So I have created this meat source, and I have just named and nothing else, and you can just create same source like that. And after source, if you will click on the show URL, you can use this URL to send your logs. Okay, so I will use this URL now and will publish my logs. Go to my application, hello world started, and I will create private static, sorry guys, static read only string SumoLogic URL. Okay. The URL will be same here what I will have, and that's it. So this is my source URL for SumoLogic. So whenever I will have log here, I will publish my logs to SumoLogic path. So I can see my logs on SumoLogic dashboard. I can make query to read. I can see them. I can analyze, and it will be a look nice once I will implement. I'll show you next. So to configure, we need to configure Serilog here. So let's Serilog. It will be a log dot logger. Yeah, log.logger equal to new logger configuration. Logger configuration dot I will use write to dot http. This is where I will send my log, right? So request URI is SumoLogic, and you also need to give some more parameter here, like queue limit bytes. I will give this limit here, and restrict minimum level just Serilog dot information, right? And is that dot create logger. Right, so have you seen? I'm sorry for this formatting. I need to do some manually. My formatter is not very good. All good. So what I have to do, I added logger configuration with write to http, and I request URI. I said that it's my SumoLogic URL, right? So it's the same information level, but if you want to write something else, so I will write here. I will add actually my another property to enrich dot with property. So it's, you can see I can write my application name, application dot, it's my application is logs for demo, logs demo, right? So that will create my structured logs with the properties application having a logs for demo. Okay, so that's it. Our configuration is ready for SumoLogic. Now I will add this log information, log warning, log error, log debug. So that should .NET run, should run my logs, hello world, and it's completed, right? So no console logging because it just sent my log to this URL. And now I will stop my application and I will check SumoLogic and will show you where is my logs now. So this is my SumoLogic dashboard. I will see. Okay, before that, I forgot to mention that you also need to close and flush your logs because that will contain extra memory. So we set the application property and logs demo because we can have many applications. Suppose you are working on different web APIs. So you may have job API, client API, tax API. So just set application type and application name, and we will find now. So if you will have search, okay, you see their new option. What you want to see: metric, trace, log search, or dashboard. So we will search here logs for last 15 minutes. You can set the timeline here, custom, recent, or any timeline, right? So you need to understand the Sumolog queries. It's better for to fetch the result. But if you don't have query and just have few words like application name, and just paste here and you will see. So my application ran on 510 and it has 3 logs information. So this is log information log, this is warning log, this is a error log, and same we had here. This is a information, warning, error, and debug, right? Information, warning, and error. So information, warning, error. So you can see how wonderful this is. You can expand all. See, your property is set here, application logs demo, application logs demo. And if you want to just see any error, and you can put here condition logs demo. I want to see in application logs demo if there is any error in last 15 minutes. So I'll search that, and here it's coming. It's highlighted that logs error in logs demo. I think this is very good, right? So I ran second time application, so you can see the multiple logs. Collapse. It highlighted that. Or if you have specific keyword to search, suppose I'm searching this, so it will specifically add that. See that search. Good. So similarly here, if you want to set some alerts, you can set alert here as well. So if I have no alert, but I can add alert as well. New. You need to go into manage data tab here, manage data and monitoring. So when you will add monitoring, you can add new monitor here. And what type of monitoring? I'm using logs or metrics or SLO. So just write your query, what we have here, and count. So it will give you the number of row, actually how many error you have, right? So alerts count on numeric value, I will give here 1. And this is a critical alert, warning alert, which type of alert you have, playback if you have any optional here. So we will save. Oh, invalid trigger condition. Alert when greater than I will say 0 in 5 minutes, every 5 minutes. So this is my alert condition, right? So invalid monitor name. Where is monitor name? Monitor name. I will say what's my application name? I will say logs demo error. Logs demo error count. Okay, so I have created this log4net monitoring, right? So if you want to see anything, any option like subscribe, you can subscribe for your email. So whenever this condition will happen, this will happen and it will just give you the notification, right? So for currently I will disable that because I don't want I'm running in a trial period, so this will send me an email, right? If you will click on subscribe, subscription created successfully, that's it. And here how you are managing and monitoring your application errors. if you want to set up the email notification, so you need to set notification here, send notification when you are monitoring. So if it is critical, or you can add notification type. Suppose you want to create email, I will use my email here, and what subject, and this is error, and I will add my email address. I can add my email address. This is error, trigger type name, and alert. I will save. Every notification should have at least one alert or recovery. Okay, it's a critical. All good. So now, if you want to see what type of alert it will come, it will like monitoring alert critical of first test. This was my last alert email, so I just show you. Like, so similarly, if you will have any error, like it's showing me count 2 times your error is coming, and it's your app view alert, you can see the what's, if you will click here, it will show you the same logs for the error which you have this condition, which you have applied the condition here, logs demo. So all good. So I will just mark as disable. I don't want get any alert, so you can disable that. So hopefully you like this video. Please subscribe my channel if you want to see this informative videos, and please share this video as well. So here, why SumoLogic is important. I missed one actually very important step. So if you have a application, complex application, like from UI component you are calling a BFF endpoint, and BFF API is also depending on some few APIs like jobs API. Jobs API is checking permissions and resource availability, and then going to the database API, and finally database. So suppose your in your application error happened here, error comes in this point. So how you will track? It's very hard. Like you can track this in microservice. How you will track your API request, like where is the error. So the best thing is SumoLogic. So your header look like this. So I will suggest just add some correlation ID here, some form of grid. So just follow this correlation ID in from each and every API, and if error is coming here, you must have correlation ID. So whenever you will have correlation ID for any error, just paste in SumoLogic. Suppose I'm here, you can just paste your correlation ID, and it will show you the complete request path. Complete request path, like request started from UI, goes to BFF, jobs API working well, but error comes here. So you can track backward and forward request path. So in microservice, you can use SumoLogic or this way to writing logs. That will make developer life very easy. Thank you for watching this video.